Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can use locked apps with stolen device protection on your iPhone. So first of all, we're going to see how you can enable stolen device protection for the extra protection of your phone and data. So before doing all of this, you have to make sure that your Find My is turned on and your location services are also turned on. So let's get to the settings, and from here if you scroll down until you see the option of Face ID and passcode, tap on it and then simply enter your phone's passcode. So after doing that, here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option of stolen device protection and simply tap on it and then simply tap on the toggle button and turn on your stolen device protection just like this. So in here under the require security delay, there you can see two different options: away from familiar location and always. So in here, if you tap on always, no matter where you are, far or near your familiar location, a security delay will be required. But like this, if you select the away from familiar location, here if you are only away from your familiar location, then only your iPhone will require a security delay while turning off your stolen device protection. So after doing it, now we're going to see how you can lock your apps. So we can now go back and then get to the home page. So now in here, before using the locked apps, you have to make sure that you have enabled your Face ID or your Touch ID on your settings. So for example, if I want mail application to have the app locked, here I'll have to long press on the mail just like this, and then you can get the option of require Face ID. Simply tap on that option and then tap on require Face ID. So after doing that, your Face ID or the Touch ID will be required. So after verification, now when you open your mail application, your Face ID will be required just like this. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.